Hey guys, Miss Cassie here with the last two chapters from May ULS. And if you remember, in chapters 1 through 4, we were learning about DNA and genes and how we get those from our family. And they give us our traits and our characteristics and our talents, like what color hair we have, or what we're really good at, like sports or music. So now in chapter 5, we're going to talk about DNA in plants and animals. Is like his family. He likes being the same as his family. He also likes being different. Josh has a dog named Sage. Sage is a small brown dog. She runs fast. Sage had 3 puppies. Josh thinks about dogs. Do they have genes too? Will the puppies look like Sage? I don't know. What do you think? They're right here. Here's Sage. Here's her puppies. Oh, one of them looks a lot like her. Animals and plants have DNA. Dogs have genes. Genes tell what dogs will look like. Watches the puppies. One puppy has brown fur. She looks like Sage. 2 puppies are running fast. They act like Sage. Sage must be a really fast runner. Sage and her puppies look the same. They act the same, but they are a little different. Sage and her puppies share some genes. They do not share all of their genes. Look, this one is brown like her, but these 2 are brown spots with the rest of white, so they don't look exactly like her because all these puppies get some genes from their mom, Sage, and their dad. Josh looks around the garden. He sees different plants. Some have short leaves. Some have long leaves. Plants have DNA too. Plants grow from seeds. The plant seed has DNA. The plants look the same. The plants share genes. Plants, animals, and people have genes. Now we're going to answer some questions about this chapter. What is this chapter about? Is this chapter about cats and clouds, whales and trees, or plants and dogs? Remember, we read about Sage the dog and the plants in Josh's garden. What is Sage? Sage a baby, a dog, or a fish? See, look, there's a dog here, so Sage must be a dog. What do animals and plants have? Do they have DNA, clothes, or cars? Remember, this chapter was about DNA, plants, and animals. What part of a plant has DNA? The water, seed, or the soil? The plant seed has DNA. What is important to know about this chapter? Is it important to know plants and animals and people have genes? All dogs are small and brown. All plants have purple flowers. Plants and animals and people have genes. Because I've seen some dogs that weren't small and brown, and I've seen plants that didn't have purple flowers. Now let's read Chapter 6, You and Your Genes. Plants and animals have DNA. Genes give you your looks. Genes give you your talents. Genes come from your parents. You may share genes with your family. Your choices make you special. Claire has blonde hair. She likes her hair. She chooses how to style her hair. This makes her special. Josh is good at building things. He likes to build things. He learns to be a good builder. This makes him special. Claire is a good singer. She likes it. She sings in the choir. This makes Claire special. Josh can throw a ball fast. He plays on the baseball team. This makes Josh special. You have your own genes. You get them from your family. Your choices make you special. Maybe you really, really like your long brown hair or your short orange hair. Or maybe you're fast. Or maybe you like to swing. Or maybe you're a good singer. Those are things that make you special. Now let's answer some questions about the chapter. What is this chapter about? Genes, school, or sports? Remember, this chapter is about you and your genes. What do genes give you? Clothes, books, or talents? Genes give you your talent, like singing. Where do you get genes? From your parents, your doctor, or your computer? You get genes from your parents, and they get their genes from your grandparents. What can Josh do? Can Josh make dinner, throw a ball, or ride a horse? Josh can throw a ball, and he's on the baseball team. What is important to know about this chapter? Claire likes to dance. Josh and Claire cannot choose, or your choices make you special. It's important to know that your choices make you special, and I know all of you are very special and you make lots of very good choices.